Hi everyone, we're now moving on to 2.3 and we're going to be looking at basic cell operations involving copying, moving and deleting stuff. So let's do copy contents of a cell, arrange within a worksheet and between worksheets and between open spreadsheets. You have cells that contain all sorts of data, and moving and copying is actually copy pasting and cutting and pasting. So I assume you use Windows rather than Mac, although you could do most of this on Mac as well. But you know, in Windows, Ctrl+C is copy and Ctrl+V is paste, and Ctrl+X is cut and Ctrl+V is still paste. So that's pretty much the logic that we'll be using here. So if I want to select these guys and copy them into H, then you can use Ctrl+C, or you can just come up here and just use copy. So let's do that, and then move to H and paste. And that's how you copy. That was actually a range of cells, but individual cells work much the same way. You can just say copy, and again Ctrl+C on your keyboard does the same thing, and I'm just going to paste Ctrl+V. Now note that you have options here that you can copy as a picture, and you can paste as a whole bunch of things, and you have paste special, and we're not touching any of that now because this is the simple copy paste, and advanced copy paste will come in a bit later. And you have the same thing with move, which is cut and paste. So if I want to move these guys into column I, then I could just say cut, which is Ctrl+X, and I'll Ctrl+V, which is paste. And that's how you move it, and keyboard Ctrl+X and paste. Now one thing you can have a look at is whenever you do Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X, note how you have this moving thingy bobby here. That's to demonstrate that something that is shown in such a way that has been either copied or cut. In other words, it's on your clipboard. The reason for that is if you do any operation, so Ctrl+C has been pressed on Apple, but if I now type anything here, note it stopped moving around, which means I can no longer paste it. So note how paste has been blanked out, and Apple is no longer selected because the keyboard is empty. Not the keyboard, the clipboard is empty, sorry. So it's something to keep in mind, that you have to do your copy paste, cut and paste operation in one go, otherwise Excel is going to lose the content of your clipboard, and then you can no longer paste without going back and doing it again. So that was copy paste and cut and paste between a single worksheet. Now we only have one worksheet on this one, but we'll just add another one, and it works exactly the same as within the single worksheet. So if you take all this, copy, move down to the other sheet, and you know, you can paste by pressing this or doing Ctrl+V, so I'll just press Ctrl+V, and because it was a copy, it hasn't been moved. If you want to move it, you have to Ctrl+X and paste. And you do exactly the same if you want to do between open spreadsheets. So note how I have two spreadsheets open here, one being the something workbook and the other is some sample stuff. So if I copy this and go on the other spreadsheet and just pick a random location and paste it in, that's what you do. So the same thing with move. I think you get the idea. So thanks for watching that one. Next video is going to be autofill tool, and yeah, do keep watching. It's actually quite a funky tool, it's quite useful. So yeah, do come back and watch it please. Any questions you may have, drop a comment. Thank you.